Good day to Madam Zarina Oman. My name is Chen Guan. My matrix number is 277531. I am from class BEQ1013 Group B. Today I want to present about the final assignment, written and video presentations. For question 1a, we want to find the total revenue function. We know that the total revenue function is equal to Px, where P is the price and X is the quantity demand of unit. We know that P is equal to S squared minus 100X plus 3200 multiplied by X. So we can get the answer is S cubed minus 100x squared plus 3200x. From question 1b, we want to find the total cost function. We know that the average cost is equal to total cost divided by the total quantity. So for the questions, we know that the average cost is equal to 2 over 3x squared minus 40x plus 10,000 divided by x. So if you want to find the total cost functions, we need to multiply the average cost and x. So we can get the answer is 2 over 3x cubed minus 40x squared plus 10,000. So from question 1c, we want to find the total profit function. We know that the total profit function is equal to revenue function minus by cost function. So we can know that the revenue function is s cubed minus 100x squared plus 3200x. So the cost function is 2 over 3x cubed minus 40x squared plus 10,000. So we can get answer is equal to 1 over 3x cubed minus 60x squared plus 3200x minus 10,000. So from question 1d, you want to determine the output level that will maximize profit and output and the amount of profit obtained. So if you want to know the output level that will maximize the profit, we need to P prime x equal to 0, where P prime x is equal to x squared minus 120x plus 3200. So when x squared minus 120x plus 3200 equal to 0, we can get the x is equal to xt and 40. When we substitute xt and 40 into the profit function, we can get the answer is 32666.67 and 43333.33. So we can conclude that the output level that will maximize profit is 40 unit and the amount of profit obtained is 43,333.33 cents. From question 2a, we want to find the y-intercept, where if you want to find the y-intercept, you need to put x equal to 0. When we substitute x equal to 0 into the profit function, we get the answer is negative 10,000. For question 2b, we want to find the interval where the function is increasing or decreasing. So when we want to find the function increasing or decreasing, we want to put the p prime x equal to 0, where x squared minus 120x plus 3200 equal to 0. We can find that x is equal to xt and 40. So as the question mentioned that the company can produce at most 120 units of handmade shoes per year. So we can know that the interval are 0 until 40, 40 until xt, and xt until 120. So for the interval 0 until 40, we can put the 10 as the testing number. So we substitute in the p price function. So we can know that the answer is 2100. It is bigger than 0. From the 40 until 80 interval, we put the 50 as the testing number. So we can know that the answer is negative 300. So it's smaller than 0. So from the 80 until 120 interval, we put the 90 as the testing number. So when we substitute in it, we can get the answer is 500 is bigger than 0. The function is increasing, so we can know that the function is increasing in the interval 0 until 40 and 80 until 120, and the function is decreasing in the interval 40 until 80. From question 2c, we want to find the interval where the function is concurrent outward or downward. If you want to find the function is concurrent outward or downward, we want to find the second derivative of profit function. And see it is bigger than 0 and or smaller than 0. So the second derivative of profit function is 2x minus 120. So we can know that when the second derivative is bigger than 0, when x is bigger than 60, the function is conquer outward on 60 until 120, and when the second derivative is smaller than 0, when x smaller than 60, the function is conquer outward on 0 until 60. So for question 2D, we want to find the inflection point. So if we want to find the inflection point, we need to put we need to find the second derivative and equal to 0. So we can know that 2x minus 120 is the second derivative of profit function. So equal to 0, we find that x is equal to 60. So we substitute 60 into the pre-profit functions. We can know the answer is 38,000, sorry. So we can get the inflation point is 60 and 38,000. So from question 2E, draw a graph of the function of the profit function using information 2A until D on your graph. Also show the absolute maximum, absolute minimum, relative minimum, and relative maximum point. And F, label your graph and write all important coordinate and interval. So first we need to draw the x-axis and y-axis first, where the x-axis is represents the quantity and unit produced, and y is represent the profit and ringgit thousands. So after that, we need to plot all the important point and interval. So if we combine together all the coordinate, all the important point, we can get the curve as represent the profit function is 1 over 3x cubed minus 60x squared plus 3200x minus 10,000. That's all today, and thank you for your listening.